Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the ASHANKS Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod with hidden wireless remote control. But before anything else, I would like to say thank you to ASHANKS for making this video possible. Alright guys, if you are deciding to get this one, this is it. I-unbox natin siya and bigyan na rin natin ng a little bit review. And kapag ka-decided na kayo bumili nito, yung link nasa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang website for this item. I-visit nyo na rin po yung kanilang official store. They also sell other products like stabilizer, LED spotlights, LED video light, gimbal, DSLR microphone, tripod, monopod, and many more. Ayan. Alright guys, without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Alright guys, as always, kapag mag-unbox kayo, laging gumamit lang scissors. Alright guys, ito yung kanyang pinaka-packaging. On the top, meron kayong makikita ng nakasulat tripod. On the bottom, some of the features niya ay meron siyang Bluetooth functions, 81 cm overall length, and portable. And I can feel yung weight niya ay gawa siya sa magandang material. On the side, ito naman yung kanyang itsura kapag nakaset up siya as a tripod. Alright guys, i-unbox na natin siya and let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, meron siyang user manual. Here, makikita nyo kung paano siya gamitin and yung kanyang mga features. And of course, your ASHANKS Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod with hidden wireless remote control. And I can feel na heavy duty siya. And yung materials nito guys ay gawa siya sa aluminum alloy. I think napakatibay na tong item na to. And sukatin natin siya kung ano yung size niya kapag ka naka-fold siya. Alright guys, yung kanyang size kapag ka naka-fold siya ay 8 inches. And here meron siyang button. I-press down nyo lang this one and pwede nyong tanggalin ng inyong Bluetooth remote control. And you can navigate your mobile shutter button using this wireless Bluetooth remote control. And here on the top, ipupull nyo lang yung kanyang rubber para lumabas yung inyong mobile clips. Ayan. And yung kanyang holder can clips 3.5 up to 6.5 inches mobile phones. Amazing. And there you have it guys. Ito yung kanyang itsura kapag ka na-mount nyo na yung inyong cellphone dito sa ating ASHANKS Monopod tripod. And yung kanyang cellphone clip ay naro-rotate siya up to 90 degrees. And yung kanyang maximum length ay umaabot siya ng up to 30 inches. Ayan, sobrang haba nung kanyang naaabot. And aside from that, yung isa sa kanyang special pictures ay meron siyang wireless remote control Bluetooth. So, pwede kayo magkuha ng inyong camera na hindi nyo na nire-reach yung inyong cellphone. So, i-click nyo lang this one. Amazing. And aside from that, yung isa niya pang main features ay nako-convert siya as a tripod. Dito sa kanyang ilalim yung cup, tatanggalin nyo lang, this is magnetized, and ilalabas nyo yung kanyang tripod. So, hilahin nyo lang siya itong tatlo. At i-open nyo. At pwede nyo na siyang ipatong somewhere. Ayan. And pwede nyo kunin yung inyong Bluetooth remote control. And pwede kayo mag-selfie using this one na kailangan mag-isa. Amazing. Ayan. And there you have it guys. This is our unboxing and a little bit review of ASHANKS Bluetooth Selfie Stick Tripod with hidden wireless remote control. Alright guys, kapag ka-decided na kayo bumili nito, again, yung link na sa description lang, i-click nyo lang para mag-direct kayo sa kanilang online shop for this item. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Be one of the extraordinary people, subscribe to my channel. I-ring nyo na rin yung notification bell para kapag meron tayong bagong videos like this and everything, mananotify kayo sa inyong YouTube account. And I guess I'll see you on my next video. Bye!